Let me show you guys the real way to make commercial chin chin. Charlie, this is it on a different note. Not that type you put a lot of water. So follow me while I show you how I do it. Real way. So here I am in the commercial mixing machine, you know, where they go to do bread and mix a lot of dough. So here I've already mixed all my ingredients, which I will list in the description below, okay, and the water measurement as well. So as you can see, the water quantity I added is very little, and the dough was not fully combined. But don't worry, the guys at the machine will do the job for you. That's the beauty of using the commercial machine to do this. Please guys, do not try this with your stand mixer you use for your cake or the small stand mixer. Don't do it. The beauty of using these people is that when you come here with that with this their smoother, they will smooth out everything for you. You see the way he's putting all the flour, all the ingredients inside the dough and fold it. You know, this kind of people, they are the best to do this thing for you, okay? And the beauty of using this method is that when you're frying it, your oil will not foam, and even when you're cutting it, it will not be sticky on your counter table or your work table. So that's why I use them. And again, I met a friend. It's such a very beautiful place to go. You meet other people working so hard, doing their bread or their chips as well. All right, so after doing that, I came back to the house. Africa happened to me. They took the light. I couldn't shoot the remaining video. I had to store my dough inside the fridge and left it there till the next morning. So in the next morning, I came back, and this is how my dough is. But when I saw it, I didn't panic, because I know that, come on, you can put your leftover doughs in the fridge and use it the next day. It's normal. But I also wanted to do a video on how to make commercial sugar bread. But that process did not work for me. The next day I brought out my bread from the fridge. It wasn't good. Even when I baked it, it wasn't good. That was a terrible experience for me. So now I know I cannot do that with the bread. But for the chips, then it was good. It was even easier to even cut. Okay, so forget that it's looking rough like this because of the folding. As me, when I came back from the mixing machine and I did everything, I won't have any difficulties at all. But it's all good. I still use my rolling pin to roll it out and cut it. So yeah, this is the best way to do your commercial chin chin. I recently found out that anytime I produce my chin chin using the industrial machine to make my chin chin, I get a whole lot of chin chin, more than when I use my hand to do it at the shop or in the house. So give this a try. It's really good. I think this is the best way to make your chin chin. Please take your time to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, tell me your experience with chin chin. This also will help the YouTube algorithm to help push my video so that a lot of people can get to see it. Thank you. All right, guys, you can see that the dough is not sticking on the work table because of the process I use while making it. So once you're done cutting your chin chin, just place a clean saucepan or frying pan on your gas cooker. Place it on a medium-low heat, not low, medium-low heat. Then once the oil heats up, how to know that the oil has heated up? Just put small chips inside the oil. If it floats, starts coming up, then you know that the oil is ready to fry. And this time, do not go and pack all the chips at once, okay? If you overcrowd your pan, the oil will end up soaking the oil. All right, so fry it little by little. But if you have a bigger pan like abada, in my language they call it abada, the big clay pan. Is it clay pan or iron pan? I don't know. We'll call it abada. If you have something big like that and enough money to buy a lot of oil because it's deep frying, then go ahead and put all the chips inside and do it at once. But for me, I don't have that big one, I have smaller one. So put the whole chips that is not too much for the pan, then stir continuously. Do not put it and go away. It doesn't take time. Everything is done. And again, I like to add onion to my chips. I like the flavor I get, apart from the vanilla essence I use. Even sometimes I use strawberry essence for my chips. Like, I like to get unique taste, I don't like to taste the regular flavor everybody is using, or no flavor at all. Some people don't even add flavor. So stir continuously, and you will know when it's ready once it turns a little brown. Mind you, do not leave your chips on the fire to become brown. If you bring it out, it will be black. Black brown. So once it's light brown in color, just bring it out, because before it cools down, it will give you that perfect what's the name of that color? Amber color, something. Not the dark amber. Caramel. Caramel, it has different shades. Anyway, but you get what I mean. So do the same thing to all your dough. You see, the dough is looking like it's sticky, but once it enters the oil, everything separates. Guys, please really forgive me for today's voiceover. Even me myself, I'm confused. It's tiredness. So when I said when it's looking like amber color, I was actually looking for yellow gold. I think that's the correct color to go. Yellow gold. So when it's looking like that, then bring it out. Then it will brown on the sieve. First of all, place it on the sieve before you now cool it off on your baking sheets before packaging, because you cannot package hot chin-chin. It will spoil. And this method, I noticed that with this method, your chin-chin can last for months. Like months. I've had a bad period at the shop, and I had my chin-chin for like 4 months. When I opened it up, it was still crunchy like kakaram, now. So this chin-chin can last you for a long time. You can even sell it at the shops, supermarkets, local shops. No matter how long they don't have good market, they must sell it. Even if it stays for 4 months, they will still sell it. It's good. All right, guys, please, if you like this video, I know that's the ritual thing everybody is saying, but true, just support your sister, okay? Support your Anambra sister. Like my video, share it to your friends. Let's push it so that YouTube algorithm can recognize me and push the video to more people. Thank you, guys, and see you in my next video.